How to install Serum with Splice on Mac. Open your Splice application and then go to Apps and Plugins. Then under Serum you're gonna click Install. And I'm just gonna install it again. Once Serum is installed, open up FL Studio. Go to Channel Rack, click the plus to add a new channel and click More Plugins in the top. Then you can search for Serum to see if it has installed. If it has installed, it's going to be on the plugin database, installed, generators, VST3. If you can't find it under more plugins, don't worry. Just click Manage Plugins. And you can try and search for it again. And if it still doesn't show up, just click Find Installed Plugins in the top left. Now FL Studio is going to scan your plugin folder and automatically install all of the plugins that haven't been installed yet. So Serum is going to be installed automatically by FL Studio.